जय श्रीमन्नारायण 161st नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामम्। ओम सर्गाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, being the cause of this entire universe, entire सृष्टि, you are the one who voluntarily takes divine forms, avatars, to bless all the worlds. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Sargaya Namaha. Om Sargaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. From Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami along with Sitamma and Lakshmana coming to Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. Rama is entering into Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. There are so many citizens, so many people with so much of grief, with all their heavy hearts looking at Ramachandra Swami. But Ramachandra Swami is not showing any kind of sadness to any one of them. He is showing his divine nice smiley face. Prahasanniva, with a nice smile, he is trying to greet each and every one. Then Sumantra has seen Rama. Ever since Sumantra has seen Rama, Sumantra has been crying. Then Ramachandra Swami has taken Sumantra close by and consoled him and told him that please go inside and convey the message to my father that I came here to see him before I leave to forest. Then Sumantra is getting inside. Tataha Kamalapatrakshaha Syamo Nirudaro Mahan. Sumantra is looking at Rama. Such a beautiful eyed Pundarikaksha, nice eyed Ramachandra Swami, nice colored Ramachandra Swami, such a wonderful, beautiful, handsome physique Ramachandra Swami. Such Ramachandra Swami is asking Sumantra to go inside and give the message to Dasharatha Maharaju. Sumantra now entering into Dasharatha Maharaju's palace. After he goes inside, he has seen Dasharatha Maharaju. He is suffering like anything. He is totally depressed. Now Sumantra is saying that, "Ho Raja, may there be success to you. The great Purusha Shrestha, the one, the example for this entire humanity. Rama, your own son, is now waiting outside at the main door. He wanted to see you. Ho Dasharatha Maharaja, Dvari Tishtati Tesutaha, your son gave away all of his wealth to all the Brahmins and all the servants and all the people. Now he is empty-handed. He is before he leaves to forest. He wanted to visit you. He wanted to see you. That is why he is waiting at the main gate. Oh Dasharatha Maharaja, please go ahead and look at your son finally before he leaves to the forest. Rajagunaihi sarvaihi adityam ivarasmibhihi. The one, the Ramachandra Swami, the one who has all such a great majestic qualities which are supposed to be to any of the kings. Such great qualities, such majestic glow and such majestic effulgence is there within Ramachandra Swami. That Ramachandra Swami is waiting for you. As and how with all the great rays sun glows, such glow is there in the face of Ramachandra Swami. That Ramachandra, that Rama is waiting for you at the main gate. Oh Dasharatha Maharaja, please go ahead and see him before he leaves to the forest. Like that, when Sumantra said, immediately Dasharatha Maharaj got shocked and getting again and again moving to tears, and finally he is saying that, oh Sumantra, you please go ahead and call all my wives, 350 wives, along with them. Having all of them around me, I would like to see my son Rama. First, please go ahead and call all my wives. Then Sumantra went and called on all the wives along with Kausalya Devi. Ardha Saptasetaha, all of them came. All of their eyes became so red because they have been crying for Ramachandra Swami. But with that kind of all the wives surrounding him, Dasharatha Maharaj now asking, oh Sumantra, go ahead and bring my Rama inside now. Then Sumantra went outside and slowly bringing Sitamma, Lakshmana and Sri Ramachandra Swami into the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Ramachandra Swami, Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 17th Sloka. Vupendro Vamanaha Pramsuhu Amoghaha Suchihi Vurjitaha Atindraha Sangrahaha Sargo Dhrutatma Niyamo Yamaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Sargaya Namaha. Om Sargaya Namaha. Om Sargaya Namaha.